Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working on our September Build a Journal Challenge. If you do not know what the September Build a Journal Challenge is, throughout the month of September, I am walking you through how to build a journal one step at a time. I did this last year and it was a lot of fun. Last year is more in depth. It was a video every single month. That playlist and the free PDF on Ko-fi are linked down below. Also, the playlist and the free PDF for this year are also linked down below. This year that we're doing a binder journal. If you wanted to buy the binder, if you didn't want to spend money on a binder, I showed you how to make a ring journal. We have done so much already. We have journal charms and altered paper clips and ephemera. We have all of our paper in, we've decorated, and now it's time to make some pockets. If you're following along, when I have these numbers here, I want you to make that many, but you can make more. Okay, you can always make more. But today we're going to make pockets. So I need to pull out paper would be handy. I don't have, I have this piece here. I'm going to use some of this. And then I might just use plain paper. And I have other pockets that I want to do that I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to do them right now because it's not time to put everything together. Okay, we're just making the stuff and putting it aside. Let me take this out of the way though. So what I do a lot of times is I will take these pages and glue them together and that makes a pocket. I won't do it on every one, but I do on some. So I will be doing that throughout to make more pockets than 5, but I'm going to make 5 pockets. 5. If I can find paper. I don't know what I did with all of my leftover paper. I think I put it away thinking I wouldn't need it. Okay. Magic, by magic, that appeared. All right, so we're going to make some pockets. Oh, I never used this piece. So we're going to use this piece for a pocket. And is there anything else in here that I didn't use? I didn't notice that one. I would have used that piece. I'm a little bit mad. I didn't use this one or this one or the kitty cat. I might get to use all of this paper up. So these are my 5 pieces of paper I'm going to use to make pockets. Now, you can just cut these to size and make a pocket. Like, honest to God. I think what I'm going to do is probably make pockets for the back sides of these pages. So I need to see, I don't remember what I cut them to. I think 4.5, right? Yeah, 4.5. So I'm going to cut these down to 4.5. So they'll fit on, and I might, okay, maybe find a paper trimmer. You guys, it's been a horrible week. Today's Sunday, and it's the start of a new week, and I was just hoping that today would be better, and so far it has not. I'm just going to cut a 3-inch pocket by 5-inch, and then I'm going to score. So we're just going to do 3x5 pockets, and then I'm going to score them so I can add bulky stuff to them if I have to or if I want to. So I'm just cutting them to 3x5. My dog's upstairs barking. I don't care. I'm just having a week. You know what? That's what, 7.5. I think I'm going to do a 7, and I'm going to do a side pocket for this one. And I'm just going to do a regular glue-on pocket. So I'm going to do 2.5. And the same with this one, but I'm going to use the stripes. So 7.5 by 2.5. All right, so here's our pockets. And then we need my scoreboard. It's going to be a quick one because we're not adding the stuff in. I like doing it that way. That way we can go through and we don't have to, because my thing is once Once you have everything done, right? You don't want to put things in and then go, oh, I wish I would have put it on that page because now I have this and I wish I would have put this on that page. That's why we do everything separate. Okay. I also feel like my camera, hold on. Okay, that's better. My camera was out of whack. Oh, that's that. Okay, my camera was out of whack. So I'm going to take this and I cut it to what, 5? So I need a 1/4 inch on both sides. Okay, and then a 1/4 inch. So we're just going to score a 1/4 inch, right? And then that should be, yeah, on both sides. So 1/4, 1/4. And what I'm going to do on this one, because this one's going to have gussets, I'm going to actually put my double stick tape on right away. That way, when it's time to put it in, it's all ready to go. So that's it. That's all the scoring we're going to do. Like I said, this will be a quick one. You're just making pockets. This will probably be the easiest day out of all of them. Like double stick tape. So what I'm going to do is fold these so we have nice crisp lines. Where's my scraper? Here it is. You want some nice crisp lines. And then we will, after I put the double stick tape on, we will trim them up. And I'll show you how I trim my pockets, my gusseted pockets. And I think we will also do a notch. And we'll have all that done. And that way, when it's time, we just have to glue some in. We'll have to glue some in, and that's really it. So I'm going to take these two, and I'm just going to estimate the middle. Looks good. And thumb notch it. Doesn't matter to me. And I'm going to do the same with these. Just going to put them all together and find the middle as best as I can and thumb notch them. Okay. And now, hey, the vinyl on my desk is ripping. I'm going to take my double-sided tape and run it along the edges of my pockets. That way, I'll be able to put them immediately in when it's time to start adding everything to our journal. Oh, and that is crooked. There we go. Did you notice that? That was bad. Now, you don't have to use double stick tape here. You can use wet glue. I'm only using double stick tape, so I am prepped and ready to go. That's why I'm using double stick tape. That way, when it's time to get everything in, I don't have to think. I don't have to go, oh, I don't have to look for things either because, I don't know if you know this, but I lose this tape all the time. Even though it sits right here in front of me, I will lose it. Sadly. Sad fact. Just making it easier on myself for the future is basically what I'm doing. Like I said, if you don't want to do this, don't do this. If you want to use wet glue, use wet glue. But it's not time to put our pockets in. We put those in later on in the month. Okay. Did I get everything? Yes. So now I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to angle cut right here. Okay. So now these match up on a nice angle and we got to cut out some of that bulk. Okay. I'm going to do that with all of them. Okay. And that is done. So You could have also done like angled side pockets, like corner pockets. Let me show you. There's all different kinds of ways you can make pockets. If you folded these pages, they could be glued down to make a pocket. So all these could be pockets. You could take this, have it like this. Okay, well, not on that page because it's not big enough, but over here, we'll put it right here. Or you could do one that just goes like this and is a little corner tuck. Okay, they don't have to be pockets like this. They don't have to be pockets like this, but look how cute that's going to look right there. I really want to, can you remind me to put this here? Because that's so cute. I'm not going to remember. I also have little pieces of half circles all over my chest, but that is going to be super cute. Look at how cute that's going to be. I'm never going to remember to put it there, but man, is that cute. So that's all we'll do. Not today. Towards the end of the month is come through and put our pockets in, or make pockets out of all of these pages that we have folded over. Okay, that's it. Make at least 5 pockets. If you want to make more, you make more, but you have to make at least 5 pockets. Thank you so much for joining me today. This was a quick one. Let me know how you're doing if you're following along. Are you doing good? Is everything going okay? Do you have any questions for me? Let me know down below, and I will make sure I answer any questions that you have. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.